Hi everyone, my name is Yiğit and I'm working as a customer success manager at Global IT. Today we will talk about some Google Calendar features and privacy settings because it's important to know that we should increase our awareness for data security, especially external sharing calendar details. Let me jump to our demo Google Calendar screen to show lively. Okay. When you go your calendar page via calendar.google.com or clicking Google Calendar icon from App Launcher in the upper right corner, you can see almost new time insight feature to find out how you spend your time in meetings like one-to-one, your meetings, more than 3 guests meetings, your focus times, and so on. And also you can adjust working hours to let people know you are unavailable when they try to schedule a meeting with you. Don't forget to enable the working hours button, and when you log in your working hours, and like for example when I try to create a meet with my actual account, because it's my, as you see, demo account. When I try to schedule a meet with my actual account, yes, as you see, unavailable times appears as strips on the screen, and the person who created the event alerted with the moon icon. And moreover with the location settings, you can let them know where you are working when they invite you to an event. As you see, for the working location, you can set your working location as like for all Sunday, all Monday, all Tuesday, or if you prefer to go another location, you can just click the working location and set your location, choosing the another office or another location. So when the people try to send an invitation, let me go again. Yes, as an organizer, I'm working from the Google office, as I mentioned right in here, as you see, and for my actual account, set for the home, so people can know where you work when they try to send an event to you. Um, Lastly, for the calendar features, if you need to give a co-host permission for an event that created by you, you can set up host control and assign co-host ahead of meetings. Right here, let me show you for the workspace team event that I created. I'm the creator, so I need to give another person for the co-host permission. So when you click the edit event button and the Jira icon right in here for the Google Meet, there's a co-host permission right in here. It's not activated yet, but when you go your host control part and enable the host management, now it's enabled for the adding the co-hosts. And when you just write the names, like, yes, when I click the S and more for my, also you can give the another person who is external user, who's not in your domain, for my, as you see, for my actual account, which is outside my organization, you can also give. When you give the co-host permission for the other peoples, they can mute others, present their screen, record the call, admit visitors, and assign other co-hosts. So if you need it, you can just use this new Google Calendar feature also to give the another person co-host permission. Let me continue with the privacy settings. So when you click the gear icon and the settings, these are the general settings of the calendar application. For the privacy settings of your own calendar, please select your own calendar under settings for my calendar part. Yes, as you see, you have three options or alternatives under access permission for your events. You can make your calendar available to the public, as you see. So when you click this button, when you enable your calendar to the public, the system warns you about your calendar will be public and the event will be visible to the world, including via Google search. Are you sure? So if you said okay, it means that now your calendar, your account's calendar will be public, and you can also give the permission for the public people. So now, as you see, some parts are gray out. So the admin of your organization can restrict to make your calendar to see all the detail, to show all your calendars with the public is restricted by your admins. So you can on for my demo account, as you see, it's restricted. I think in your organization also. So you can only give the free busy. You can also you can just show your free busy information to the public person, which is outside your domain. So when you uncheck this part, the second option is for your internal users. So make available for the internal users. When you click this part, if you uncheck, it means that you never show your calendar anyone. So when you just click to show your calendar for the internal users, you have mainly four options, but again, according to your organization admin, some permissions can be restricted. So as you see, when I make my calendar available for the internal user, I have two options. I can only show my free busy part, which is the hiding the details of the events or the meetings, or show all my event details. Also, for the third option, it's show um, the calendar information in other Google applications like Gmail, Drive, and so on. 1 minute, staying call, let me say. Okay. Under the share with specific people, you can share any calendar you created, and you can set different access permission for your calendar. As you see, when I share specifically a person with my calendar, with the Barbaros is my organization's user, I can give specific permission, like I can only show my free busy, which is hiding the details, but it's not okay for this scenario because I give all internal users to see all event details. If you give if you change the internal users to show only the hiding the details with free busy information, you can give only specific person to see all the events, or you can give the make change to events about your calendar. And for the top priority, you can also give to make changes and manage sharing settings to the specific person in your organization. If you add any person which is external user, as you see, you can only send the see only free busy, which is the hiding the details, because of the restriction of your organization admin. These are the important privacy settings that, or I believe that you want to check this part to. It's really important to to data security for your calendar. And again, don't forget to review these fields for your data security. Have a great day.